This is the SL13, and it's one of my absolute favorite luminaires that I've ever created. We started off with the SL13 hanging light, and then we came out with the tree mount, and then we came out with the surface mount. The issue we have as lighting designers is often when we're using down lighting, the light coming out is too harsh. Especially when there's an optic involved, it's actually directing the light, and we get a circle of light that looks like a flashlight shining down. So we wanted to create a luminaire that doesn't have to have the same height, that we could go at a lower level and have soft, even, beautiful lighting. So this luminaire, the surface mount, is really one of my favorite lights that we've ever designed. What I love about it, it's a very finished luminaire. So often when we're in pergolas, when we're trying to put lighting onto tables, like the environment we're in today, we're wanting to have down lighting, but we don't have much height. Many times it's 12 or 13 feet high. So we want really soft lighting. The key features on this light is number one, the light source itself. It's a single source LED without optic to give beautiful dispersion of light, but it's gonna have that 96 CRI or 96 plus CRI. So it's crisp, beautiful light. It goes all the way down to 30 lumens. Often we wanna have that romantic, beautiful look, that soft lighting onto a table, that soft lighting onto a structure, and this allows that to happen. The artistic, beautiful shape of this light really makes it look like a very high-end luminaire that's built into structures. Looks artistic, it looks beautiful. It's not just a can hanging down from the ceiling, but it's got an elegant look to it as well. Fully serviceable, so that makes it very easy. So you not only can customize the light output, but should 10, 12 plus years go by and you need to change out the LED or change out the driver, it's very easy to do that. So I use this all the time in my lighting designs when I'm working around structures with this surface mount, that you're able to have the connections built inside of it, so you hide that. Long wire leads of 15 feet so you could spread them out, and it just truly gives you a next level lighting for your outdoor environments. So if you're looking to elevate the finished look of your patios, of your pergolas, this light will truly set you apart. It'll look like it's built into the structures and really elevate your lighting design where the luminaire is going to be seen. At Sterling Lighting, we are all about the performance of the luminaire and the light output, but we also believe in building beautiful lights and beautiful luminaires. We focus on creating spaces that look beautiful, that feel comfortable, and luminaires that will last a lifetime, that are elegant and artistic.